Hello KG3, how are you? Remember we talked before about the vowels and we were talking about the long vowel sound. Today we will complete, but we will talk about the long O sound. The long O sound also, it has two vowels, O and the magic E. And as you know, there is a letter between them. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the long O sound. Are you ready? Let's go. Look at the pictures that we have it here. Let's start with this picture. Yes, you will say this is a flower. But this kind of flower, we call it rose. Rose. Notice here we have the vowel O and the vowel E. The magic E at the end of the word. And letter S, we don't say it rose. Rose. R-O-Z. Rose. Not rose. Rose. Look at this picture. Oh, what a big nose. Nose. Also here we have the vowel O and the vowel E, the magic E at the end of the word. So it will be nose. What about this picture here? Yes, this is a rope. Rope. The vowel O and the vowel E at the end of the word. So the word will be rope, not rope, rope. And this one, yes, we use it to talk to each other and call. It is phone, phone. Vowel O and vowel E at the end of the word. So it will be phone. Let's read more words with long O sound. Look at this picture here. We use it to eat ice cream. We call it cone. Cone. And what about this one? It's for the dog. Yes, it is bone. Bone. And here again a picture of nose. Nose. And this one here we have rope. Rope. And this picture here with the whole word, we call it globe. Globe. So let's read them one more time. Cone, bone, nose, globe, rope. And now let's solve this exercise about the long O sound. We have three pictures here, and here there are missing vowels. We need to complete it. Fill in the missing vowel O, E in each word. Look here. What is this? Yes, it is a globe. Globe. So the first letter or the first vowel will be, yes, excellent, O. And what do we write at the end of the word? Yes, the magic E. Globe. Excellent. Now let's move to the next picture. Ooh, what is this? As we said, the dog eat it. Yes, it is bone. Bone. So we need to write, the first vowel will be, yes, O, because we said bone. And at the end of the word, yes, the magic E. Don't ever forget the magic E. Bone. And the last picture, what is this? We use it to tie anything. We call it rope. Rope. So also we need to write the first vowel. Yes, excellent. O, because we said rope. And at the end of the word, yes, the magic E. If you did not write the magic E, it will not be a long sound. It will be rop. So we should write E at the end of the word to be a long sound. So it is rope. Okay. So here, let's read the words again. Globe, bone, rope. Great work. And this was our lesson for today. I want you to practice, read all the words with the long O sound. And see you next time. Bye bye.